For all those people that are all smartened up talking Kiz, Arnie, and K-Fizz, Abe, and they know what's going on. What you gonna do when Board and Ride runs wild on you, brother?
We're the Angel City girls. Welcome to Angel City.
My name is Doug Taylor. I'm a retired Navy. I served tour in Vietnam as a door gunner. So this is sort of a traveling museum representing those Navy guys that protected the SEALs. Up here's where our co-pilot sat. He was a busy guy. He'd keep up with radios, communications, set up the weapons for the pilot, and keep up with us door gunners in the back. So the co-pilot had a very important job compared to the driver or the pilot who sat on that side. He had everything made for him.
I'm Jay Clark. This is Kim Nurger. We are from Macon, Georgia. We love Angel City, and we love Born to Ride.
we got going on here, buddy?
We got A-Bay District 13 doing the bike show for Angel City. We've done this about for the last 5 years in a row. And yeah, Wayne and Ralph, they put on a good rally here, and They look, you know, they're bikers. 2013 Angel City Rally Best in Show is Sean Lovelace. So let's give them all a big hand.
I'm so overwhelmed with everything you all bring to me, and I try my best to give it back to you. But what I want you to know is, I know, you know, that everybody is always give, and they give when they have nothing left to give. What makes us rich is not our money. It's our friends and our brotherhood and our sisterhood. And that's what built this country, and that's what this country was built on. God bless every one of you. I love you. This place belongs to you, not me. It's for you. Thank you.
April 9th through the 13th, it's the Angel City Motorcycle Rally, the #1 rally in the state of Georgia and the one not to miss. See it on the cover of Georgia Born to Ride magazine. Home of the $2 beers, 13 bands featuring the Michael Allman Band live in concert, Veterans Tribute, lawnmower races, burnouts, bike show, vendors. Call now. For more information, go to angelcitymotorcyclerally.com. Now, this is your chance to win free 5-day pass to Angel City, April 9th through the 13th. Go to Born to Ride Facebook and let us know why you should win, and you may win a 5-day pass free to Angel City Rally.